Are you ready to ace the TOEFL writing section? You've come to the right place. The TOEFL writing test can be challenging for many students. To succeed, you need to understand its structure. The writing section has two tasks, integrated and independent. Each task serves a unique purpose. Firstly, let's break down the integrated writing task. Here, you'll read a passage and listen to a lecture. Your job? Summarize the main points of both. Focus on connections between the reading and listening. Next is the independent writing task. For this, you'll write an essay based on a prompt. It'll ask for your opinion or experience. Simple and clear essays earn higher scores. Now, let's talk about planning your essays. Spend 5 minutes brainstorming your ideas. Create an outline to organize your thoughts. This plan makes writing easier and more coherent. Use clear and concise language. Avoid jargon or overly complex sentences. Aim for clarity so the examiner easily understands your points. Remember to use transition words. They help guide your reader. Words like first, next, and finally improve the flow of your essay. Proofreading is essential. After writing, take a few minutes to check for errors. Correct grammar, spelling, and punctuation help boost your score. Suppose the prompt asks about your favorite hobby. Start with an introduction. Then, outline 3 reasons why you enjoy it. Conclude with a strong closing statement. To recap, here are the key points: understand task types, manage your time, plan your essays, use clear language, include transitions, and proofread your work. Follow these steps for a higher TOEFL writing score. Are you looking for more in-depth tips and tools? Join our Transform Academy course for expert strategies and personalized guidance. Click the link in the description to learn more. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.